it's going to turn like this.
Hey there, welcome to Arno a Villager TV, your go-to spot for awesome developmental podcasts.
Hi everyone, my name is Charity. Today I will be making muffins. First, you need 2 eggs. And then you crunch them. And then you need your other one. And then when you're done, you need to whisk it. And then you need to take your oil. And then you put it with your eggs. And then you whisk it again. Next, you need your milk. And then you pour it with your oil and your eggs. And then you mix it again. And then you take your muffin flour. And then you pour it with everything. And then you start mixing it together. I must make sure when I'm mixing my flour, my oven must be on 190. Your flour must look like this. Now I'm going to start pour it in my Now I'm finished. Now I'm going to put it in my oven. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And then I cut my butter in half. And then you take your ice and sugar. Put 4 cups of ice and sugar. And then when you're done, mix it with your spoon. Now I'm putting my food coloring in my cream. And then I'm going to mix again. It's going to turn like this. Now my cupcakes are ready. Now my cupcakes are ready, and now I must put the cream on top of the cupcakes. Now I must wait for my cupcakes to cool down so I can put my cream on the cupcake. Now my cream is ready. Now I'm putting it on my muffin. Now I'm putting my cream on the cupcake. Now I'm putting my cream. Now I'm putting my sprinkler on my cupcakes. Now my cupcakes are ready to eat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.